Ring topology. In a ring topology, each device has a dedicated point to point connection with only the two devices on either side of it. It means in ring topology, each device will have point to point connection, means it will have single connection between two consecutive devices, that is two consecutive stations. That means each station will have connection between two different stations which are near to it, and the repeater is used for between every station. A signal is passed along the ring in one direction from device to device until it reaches destination. So that means from station to station signal will be passed along the ring until it reaches destination. Each device in the ring incorporates a repeater. That means each device has a repeater attached to it. When a device receives a signal intended for another device, its repeater generates bits and passes them along. A ring is relatively easy to install and reconfigure. That means we can reconfigure, means we can repair it also. Each device is linked to only its immediate neighbors. That means either physically or logically. That means two consecutive stations it is attached to them. To add or delete a device requires changing only two connections. That means add or delete, that means we can do that by changing only two connections. In addition, fault isolation is simplified. Generally, in a ring, a signal is circulating at all times. If one device does not receive a signal within a specific period, it can issue an alarm. That means we can configure this station such that they will tell us that the fault identification. That means they can give us alarm if signal is not received. The alarm alerts the network operator to the problem and its location. That means this alarm can be used by network operator to finding problem and location of that problem. Ring topology was prevalent when IBM introduced its local area network. Token ring. Today, the need for higher speed LANs has made this topology less popular.